Hello, first graders. This is technically week 7, day 4, but if you're following along with our 3 weeks of instruction sheet, we are on week 1, day 4. So I'm about to go through our math, and today in math we have number line addition and place value. Okay, so remember we are working out of our blue packet. That's why we have our color coordinated dot here in the corner, so it's blue packet. And let's get started. Okay, so first it says number line addition to 20. Set 1. Directions. Solve the problems. Use the number line to help you add. Now, boys and girls, some of us at this point may not need that number line at all, and that is fantastic. That is a good skill to have, but if you do need it, it's a great resource for us. And what you can do to use it, if you don't remember, I would typically start with the bigger number, okay? So if we have 6 plus 7, I know that 7's the bigger number, so I'm going to go ahead and start on 7, and I need to count up 6, because look, I am adding. So if I'm on 7, I have to count up 6. That would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so then I know that 7 plus 6 equals 13. Now I'll do one more. Now, if I'm doing 15 plus 3, it's a lot easier to start at 15 and add 3 on, rather than to start at 3 and add 15 on. Okay, so we're going to start at the biggest number, which is 15. We know we're adding, so we're going to add 3 from 15. If I start at 15, I go 1, 2, 3. 15 plus 3 equals 18. So my answer is 18. Boys and girls, again, this is a review, so you have done this before, so I think you won't have too many problems with it. If you do, just let me know. And now we can move on to our place value, okay? So we have tens and ones. That is what we're going to do to work on our place value. Directions. Write the correct number of tens and ones in the boxes. Okay, so now let's take a look at our place value, boys and girls. Remember, we want to look at our place values from right to left. Now, our ones place, I'm going to highlight in red. Okay, so I'm highlighting our ones place, or underlining our ones place in red. I'm going to underline our tens place in green. Okay, do you see the difference, boys and girls? We read this number as 23. That means we have 2 tens and 3 ones. 23. So 3 is in our ones place value. So I'd go on over to ones and I would write 3. Now it says how many are in our tens. Okay, so how many is in our tens place value? What number is holding the place of our tens place value? That number would be 2. Okay. Alright, boys and girls, you should be able to do the rest of this on your own. I need you to remember, though, you go from right to left. So it goes ones, tens. So let's think about that. Okay, that is all we have today for math.